Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to fix a broken zipper on a wetsuit. First, carefully examine your wetsuit zipper to understand the exact problem, whether it's a stuck slider, missing teeth, or a separated track. Next, collect your repair essentials, which might include small pliers, a specialized zipper lubricant, or a wetsuit zipper repair kit. Before attempting any fix, ensure the zipper is completely clean. Use fresh water and a soft brush to remove any sand, salt, or dirt that could hinder the repair process. Let's tackle some common issues. If your zipper slider is stuck, apply a small amount of silicone-based lubricant directly onto the teeth and gently work the slider back and forth. For misaligned teeth, use needle nose pliers to carefully bend them back into their original position, ensuring they interlock smoothly. If the zipper track has separated, try to realign the two sides at the bottom stop and slowly pull the slider up, guiding the teeth together. When dealing with more significant damage, like a broken slider, you'll need a replacement. Carefully remove the old slider and install a new one, ensuring it's the correct size for your wetsuit, often a number 5 or 8 plastic zipper. For a few missing teeth, a strong, flexible adhesive designed for wetsuits can sometimes create a temporary patch. Apply a small, even layer and allow it to cure for at least 24 hours before use, ensuring a secure bond. To keep your wetsuit zipper in top condition and prevent future problems, proper maintenance is key. Always rinse your wetsuit, especially the zipper, with fresh water immediately after each use to remove salt and sand. Regularly apply a high-quality silicone-based zipper lubricant to ensure smooth operation and protect against corrosion. When storing your wetsuit, lay it flat or use a wide, padded hanger to avoid putting undue stress on the zipper, extending its lifespan by many years.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.